Hi DGCNs. Let us assume you have to compare two files. It can be a Word document, it can be a code lines, it can be image or similar document that you want to compare and find the difference. What you will do? You will definitely look for a tool, online tool that can be free, that should be free, and you will definitely able to compare the difference between the two documents. And if you are going to do this task manually, it is really going to be very tough for you. So in this video, I am going to show you 5 online tools through which you can compare two documents. Let us start. But before doing so, I will request to subscribe this channel as I am bringing most useful information for you through which you can really work smartly. The first website that I would like to show you is the diffchecker.com. You can note the URL, you can watch this video completely. I am going to show you more options. At this website, you can compare two text documents. I mean, paste the text and you can compare and find the difference. Further, you can check two images as well. This is very good option if you want to find the difference between two images. You can do this at this website. You can compare PDF file. Even you can compare Excel file. This is most search results that I found in the comparing or finding the difference. So generally people looking for how we can find the difference in two Excel sheets. So here is the tool that will help you in comparing two Excel sheet and find the difference. Folders, even folders, but it is a premium feature of this website. So this website allows you to compare two Excel files, to PDF, to images or text that you want to compare. The next website that I want to show you is text-compare.com. It is basically for comparing two text documents. You have to paste the text from two documents and you can switch the text and compare the text very well using this website. The third website which I like very much is the diffnow.com, and you can compare clips and you can go to the various sections. This is the main area where you can compare the text inputs, file uploads and even URLs. So this is why I like this website. You can paste two URLs here, URL 1 and 2, and like I'll show you the sample. This is sample, like if you are looking for compare HTML, so you can check two HTMLs and you can check the PDF documents, how PDF, what is the difference between the two PDF documents, and you can check the codes. So you can use this website for free. It is not, this website is not going to ask any payment for this. However, there is premium function available. You can explore this option as well. But yes, it is really very helpful in comparing the text codes and even URLs, as I said. So you can compare two URLs, just place the URL 1 and 2 and it will find the difference and let you know what is the actual difference between the two URLs. I mean the content of URLs. The fourth website that I wanted to show you is site24into7.com, and we are using this website for various purposes, and this is another tool from this site. It is really very good, and you can paste the original text and you can filter the white spaces and ignore cases and replace new line with a space. So you have some additional option with this website, so you can find the difference using this section at site24into7 to check the original difference between the two text or document. The fifth website that can be helpful for you if you are only interested, or if you are a coder and if you want to compare the code lines. of 2 code lines. So you can paste the code lines. For code lines, it is going to be the best website for you, best tool for you to check the difference, and you can find the difference between 2 code lines, and you can actually track the gap of code and similar activities. So these are the 5 websites that can really help you in finding any type of difference between 2 documents, and even images, Excel sheets, and similar kind of documents. In the next video, I'm coming with another great WordPress tools, or some tools that can really help you in making your work smart, and you can do your job perfectly using those tools. So okay, let us meet in our another video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.